Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Marzocco Linea Mini with us today, and it came in the shop for just general maintenance. It's 2 years old, hasn't been maintenance before, so we did some maintenance. There's stiffness in the knob, as you can see it glides now, and we did replace a part up here. But now we're going to test the machine out. We're going to test all the functions of the machine, starting with Espresso. We do have the portafilter here. It's bottomless portafilter. See, slid right through. We did replace the gasket on the machine. Your gasket was very hard when we tried taking it out to where you could crumble it in your hand. So we did replace it with a new silicone gasket. And now we are going to test the brewing. Just so you can see, we'll push to 9 for pre-infusion. And then it will start again, and it will stay at 9, and it will start pouring your shot. Beautiful, beautiful pour. These machines are very beautiful. And we're just going to cut it off short. It's not on a timer or anything, so everything's manual. As you can see, really beautiful shot. Now we're going to test the other functions of the machine. Say you wanted hot water, or we'll test the steam first, actually. As you can see, very powerful. Very powerful steam 1, working well. And then say you wanted hot water to go with your espresso. Pour it out through there. That's everything we did to this machine. If you like this repair or any of our other repairs, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.